Hello viewers. In this video I will be teaching high-end skin retouching in Photoshop 2021. So, let's start. First, open your image into Photoshop. Now right-click on Image Layer and click on Convert to Smart Object. Go to Filters, Neural Filters. This feature is available in latest version of Photoshop only. Now, turn on the Skin Smoothing feature. Increase blur up to 90%. Also increase the smoothness up to 40%. Now, select Outcome as new layer. Hit OK. See the difference? Add a brightness and contrast adjustment layer. Adjust the brightness and contrast to make the image stand out. Now select the image layer. Go to Image and click on Autotone. Again go to Image and click on Auto Colors. We are done here. Let's have a look at final output. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel for more such tutorials.